Hi everyone, this is Tina, and I am in a 3-tier tray collab, and it's hosted by Bumby DIY and Joan Brodie, and I joined the collab and I had a lot of fun in it. I paid $5 to make my 3-tier stand, and it is with a pizza pan everything's from the Dollar Tree, a pizza pan, a pie pan, and a cake pan. And then I had all these little animals and the little flowers, so I just added them in there. I thought that they looked really cute. I also bought the 2 candle stands, and I use them to hold up my pans. Everything is hot glued, and I thought it came out really cute. I'll get up close so you can see how it all is. I've been wanting a 3-tier tray for some time now, so I was really happy to come across this idea on Pinterest and put it all together. It's a heck of a lot cheaper than buying a 3-tier tray like at Michael's or something, because the ones I was looking at were at least $20, so $5 is a good deal to me. Come across here so you can see better. Maybe you can see the little animals. But I thought it came out really cute. I hope you go check out the rest of the collab. I haven't gone through there yet, but I'm sure that they have a lot of cute ideas. Alright guys, take care, and I will talk to y'all soon. Thanks for stopping by.